Hi, my name is Jack Neely with Myers Flat Volunteer Fire Department, and today I'm going to teach you how to light a road flare. First, you need adequate eye protection. And full PPE. Next, you're going to remove the protective cap on the striker and put it in your pocket so you don't litter. Now remove the cap, put the striker to the head of the road flare, look away, and strike. Once you have ignition, put the cap back on the back. This tab here is to prevent the road flare from rolling away. Always place the road flare head towards oncoming traffic. Make sure there's no flammable material around your road flare. I'm Jack Neely with Myers Flat Fire Department. Stay safe.